This video will discuss basic orthographic projection, wherein projection rays are parallel to one another and perpendicular to both the image plane and a dominant plane of the object depicted. There are four basic elements at work here. First, an object to represent. Second, a draw plane that receives projections of this object. Third, a side from which to view this draw plane, sometimes called a station point. And lastly, the resulting drawing. You can see here how this is done. Starting with positions on our object, we draw lines that are perpendicular to the draw plane and parallel with one another that connect those positions on the object to positions on our draw plane. Using this method one by one, we can find the edges and the positions of all important features on our object. It's important to note that what I'm showing you here is merely a wireframe representation of the resulting drawing, and it does not conform to architectural standards, including those of line weight and line type. In particular, we should note that the rectangle above shows a surface which is further away from the draw plane, and therefore should be drawn with a lighter line weight. It's also important to note that while we talk about a station point in this context, that drawings such as this are not taken from any one position and don't behave the way that human vision behaves. It doesn't matter how far away the draw plane is from the object or how far away we imagine we're standing from the draw plane when looking at our drawing, the drawing remains the same. There are very important cases where the position of the draw plane or cut plane does matter, which are those where the cut plane or the draw plane intersects the object in question. This distinguishes elevations and top views from things like plans and sections. When the cut plane of the drawing intersects the object, then we get two new graphic conventions emerge. First is the cut line, which describes the surface of the object that's intersected the cut plane, which is the heaviest line on the paper. The second is we get the poché, which is the filled-in black area, which describes solid material which is passing through the cut plane. Finally, while drawings such as this are not taken from a particular point of view, it does matter which side you imagine looking at the drawing from. Things on the opposite side of the plane, those things kind of in front of the draw plane, are depicted in the usual elevational way. Those things behind the draw plane are either not depicted or, more conventionally, the important objects behind the cut plane are represented via dashed lines. So there you have it, a quick primer on orthographic projection drawing. Plans, sections, and elevations are all types of orthographic projection drawings that simply adhere to particular conventions of architectural drawing. Hope this has been helpful.